Yes. Good afternoon. One and
Good
all.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
How was your Christmas?
Nice, ma'am.
Nice.
I'm good. Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, it was nice.
Thank
It
you,
was
ma'am.
nice. Okay. Had so much of cake?
No.
No?
A lot of cake. No,
Lots
ma'am.
of cake. Anlin had lots of cake.
Ma'am, lot of cake.
Yes. You have some pending at home?
Daily. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Some people will come, so you'll get lot of cake.
Yes, yes. Guests will come and you'll get more of the cake, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Our stomach is not allowed to.
Yes,
ma'am. We were sit. Don't like to eat now.
Do you feel like taking stomach for rent
Yes, ma'am. We don't like
so that you can eat more?
No, then where our eating food will go?
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Full
So,
day
how was
eating.
your marks, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. I got
Good.
Happy? Happy with the marks?
Happy. I'm so happy with Mark.
I'm happy.
Everybody.
I got full mark.
Everybody happy?
Ma'am, the last question was very easy.
Last question
Last
was very easy, is it? Okay. Alaskan, Clara, Hannah, Adi, please switch on your videos. Okay. Now, anybody who was not happy with the marks?
Nobody.
Anyone who was not happy with the marks? No.
No one is there.
All are
No one is
satisfied.
Oh,
Okay. How many of you thought I will improve next time?
Ma'am, can you sit once again?
How many of you thought that you will improve yourself next time? Yan, Clara, Aldous, Haya. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. I'm happy. I'm quite happy with your marks. Most of you have got very, very, very good marks. So I'm really happy. And those who have just lost 1, 2, or 3 marks, just keep reading your text and your notes. Okay, so that you will get full marks next time. And those who got full marks next time, keep up that level. Okay, so shall we continue with our chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all saw the notes that I sent to you over today.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure.
In
Motion
the
of
previous chapter, yes.
yes,
You
motion.
can copy down that. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I have added some extra questions also in that.
Yes, ma'am. Motion and me.
Ma'am, extra questions
Means the ones which are not in your text, but the ones we have discussed in class and so on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So take your textbook back to studies. Vacation is over. Which chapter were we studying?
Ma'am, electrical and
Electricity and
electricity and
Ma'am, circuits.
circuit.
circuit.
Where did we reach? We finished the electric cell, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Electric cell battery.
Yes. Now the next one is electric bulb. Did we study electric bulb? No, right?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
chapter 12, electrical
Study.
Ma'am, you were saying about the battery and
Yes, battery and the cell. We were discussing about the battery and a cell.
lesson 12.
Exactly. Lesson 12.
Yes, ma'am.
So, let me
Yes,
ask a
ma'am,
few
we know
questions
that.
before that.
You were said in the previous classes also.
Yes. Okay, let me ask a few questions. How many terminals does an electric cell have? Vaiga.
What, ma'am?
How many how many terminals are there for an electric cell? Vaiga.
Ma'am,
2. Okay. Which are the terminals, Steve?
Vertical cap.
Metal
can I?
Metal cap and?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, metal
Metal
uh,
cap and?
metal
Disc.
Ah,
Metal,
come on,
metal disc.
correctly.
Metal disc.
Disc. Yes, correct. So metal cap and metal disc are two terminals, I agree. And
Yeah.
what kind of terminals are they? Metal cap is the
Ma'am, positive and
positive
negative.
terminal and the metal disc is the
Negative.
Negative.
negative terminal. Okay. Now another question. Ajol, what is inside the electric cell? What is present inside the electric cell? Remember? No, no idea. Atul, what is present inside the electric cell?
Can you say the question?
What is present inside the electric cell? Don't know? Stina, do you know what is present inside the electric cell?
Chlorophyll.
Steve.
Stina is stuck.
I-
Alaswan, do you know what is present inside the electric cell?
and I know.
Yes.
Ma'am, battery.
Inside the electric cell. Inside part. The inner
No,
part
it's
of
a Steve said. Can I say, ma'am? Steve.
Ma'am, I can see.
Anlin.
Ma'am, chemical.
Chemicals. Okay. And these chemicals dash to give out electricity. What is the answer, Aldaus?
Ma'am, can you say it once again?
The chemicals inside the electric cell, the chemicals dash to give out electricity.
My power.
The chemicals
Mix.
React.
huh?
React. Say, ma'am.
React. Exactly. The chemicals react to give out
React.
electricity. Okay. So Ajol, switch on your video. So what is present inside the electric cell?
Chemical.
Ma'am,
Ajol.
chemical.
Chemicals.
How many Ajols here? Ajol, what is present inside the electric cell?
Chemical.
Chemicals. Will you forget that again? No. Good girl. Atul, what is present inside the electric cell?
Chemical.
Chemicals. Okay. Now, please switch on the videos, everyone. What happened to your faces? Got fat after the vacation? Is that why the videos are off? Yes? Yes? Switch on, switch on. Ihan,
Can you speak some more louder? I cannot hear you.
I don't know what the problem is, dear.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am, your voice is very low, and we should give the speaker to our ears and all.
Okay. Yes, switch on the videos now. Is my voice okay now?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Okay, fine. So the next topic that we are going to learn is about an electric bulb. What is it?
Electric bulb.
Electric bulb. So just like we did with the electric cell, just quickly draw a figure of an electric bulb. Fast. 2 minutes. A rough figure. Everybody. Hanna, Muhammad, Yasin or Yasin, who's that? Then Adi, Gaudi, Vaiga, Ihan, switch on your videos. Rose, you're not visible here.
Continuity program.
Please draw an electric bulb and show me. Fast. A quick figure. No need of beautification and all. Just draw a quick figure.
I finished my
Yes.
stick.
Zebas I saw. Okay. Joseph, finish. Show me to the screen. Steve, okay, yes. Aldous, okay. Okay, Atul, okay, fine. Ihan, yes. Others,
Ma'am,
please show
can you
me
see
first.
mine?
Clara, no dear, I can't see yours.
No. Ma'am, now?
No, your video is not clear, it's blank. Others, please show me first.
Ma'am,
Haya,
can you
yes.
see mine?
Yes, Haya, yes. Is that Heron?
It's really Helen, but my keyboard is not working.
Okay. Okay, others? Finished.
Ma'am, now you can see?
No, Clara, I can't see. Vaiga, did you show me?
No, ma'am.
Show fast. Anlin, Rolls, Alaswan. Okay. Yeah, it is a bit blurred, but it's okay. Then, next. Hannah, where is your bulb? Electric bulb. Anlin, finished.
Bulb?
Yes, bulb, show.
Yes, ma'am. I draw also bulb.
Vaiga, enough, show. Muhammad Yasin, yes, the bulb is glowing. I saw. Now, who's next? Ihan, what about Ihan, Sandra, Adi, Hanna? Where is the bulb? Okay.
I can show original bulb.
No, I want to see your drawing.
Am I bring the ma'am?
You brought. Yes, Ihan, I saw. You can show me the original bulb. Okay, fine. Show me a drawing also. The usual structure of a bulb. Please draw and show me. Yes, Adi, I'm seeing it. Others, Anlin, where is it? Okay, yes. Good one. Rolls?
Ma'am, can you see now?
No, Clara. It's okay. You can send the picture over to me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ajol, yes, I saw. Rolls, where is the electric bulb?
Ma'am,
Now, please don't start bringing all the electric bulbs to class, okay?
I take promo.
I'll get frequent calls from your parents in the evening that my child is taking all the electric bulbs out of its socket. Okay, finished. Anybody else? Sandra, did you draw? Sandra, I'm asking you. If you have not drawn, then tell me you have not. Oh God. Okay, finished.
Finished.
Rolls, what about rolls?
I'm drawing.
You're drawing, okay. Let me know once you finish. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay. So what happens here? You have a base, isn't it? The base you have such a structure, and then on top, what do we have?
Ma'am, on top means the covering is like a glass.
Covering is like a glass. Yes.
Ma'am, filament.
Comes like this, isn't it? A bulged out part. Then, what is
Yes, ma'am.
inside it?
Some bulb inside, some fuse like bulb, some small bulbs.
You have some coil structure, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Isn't it? For the basic
Yes.
structure. Yes? Okay. Some coil structures are like this. Otherwise, there'll be two strong wires, and the middle you'll have a center one like this. That is, the bulb will look like,
Filament.
yes, the bulb will look like something like this. Yes?
Filament.
You'll
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
base here. Okay. Now, we'll draw something similar to that. Okay. Everybody finished drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. Now, what is this thin
Filament.
structure in the middle of the two
Filament.
strong wires called?
Filaments.
Filament. Yes,
Ma'am,
that is
filament.
called, yes, that is called the filament of the bulb. Filament of an
Bulb.
electric bulb.
Bulb.
And apart from that, it has a glass covering.
Bulbs.
Okay. Basically, this is the glass cover.
Yes.
And this forms the base of the bulb. This is the basic structure.
Ma'am, terminal.
Yes,
Terminal.
terminals we'll see. And do you see these two strong things?
Yes, ma'am.
They are the two strong wires which support
Yes,
the
ma'am.
filament.
Filament.
Okay. We'll read through the text and you'll
Ma'am,
understand more.
one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, filament means the power which comes from the base.
No. I'll mark the filament once more with another color. This is the filament. So, okay.
Ma'am, so the other two wires are for passing the power.
Yes, yes. The other two wires support the filament. Okay. Otherwise, will the filament float in the air? No. It
No.
needs something to stand there, isn't it? Yes, to emit light, to give out light, it needs to be fixed there inside the
Ma'am,
bulb.
it has the wires only just stand, or the electricity is going
Yes,
through
they
it.
conduct electricity also. They support, the main function is to support the filament in its
Ma'am,
place.
I was saying about the two
Yes, understood.
wires
These
because
two
I
side
thought a
structures,
filament was
isn't it?
that whole part.
Ah, okay, fine. Okay, we'll read through the text.
Ma'am,
Who
can
will
you
start?
sound?
Vaiga. Activity 1.
Okay, ma'am. Activity 1. Take a torch and look inside its bulb. You can also take out the bulb with the help of your teacher. What do you notice? Do you find a thin wire fixed in the middle of the glass bulb? Figure 12.2b. Now switch the torch on and observe which part of the bulb is glowing. The thin wire that gives off light is called the filament of the
Yes.
bulb.
Underline that. The thin wire that gives off light is called
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Filament.
filament. Yes, Clara, I can hear you. It is called the filament. So basically, what is the filament? It is a thin wire inside the
Thin
bulb
wire.
that gives
Uh,
off light.
Ma'am, can you see now?
Can I continue?
No, Clara, I can't see. Yes, you can continue, Vaiga.
The filament is fixed to two thicker wires which also provide support to it. As shown in figure 12.2b,
Yes, Aldous, did you understand? The two wires provide support to the filament. Underline
Yes,
that
ma'am.
also.
The about the
Yes.
filament.
Yes. Underline that also. The two wires, they provide support to the filament. Then,
one of these thick wires is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb, figure 12.2b.
mm,
The other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb.
underline that. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb.
These two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. The electric bulbs used at home also have a similar design. Thus, both the electric cell and the bulb have two terminals each. Why do they have these two terminals?
Yes. What is the similarity between the electric cell and the electric bulb? Both of them have
Both of them have two terminals.
two terminals. Okay. And which are the terminals of the electric bulb? You just underlined it now.
Ma'am, can you say once again?
Yes. Which are the terminals of the electric bulb?
Base of the bulb
Ma'am,
and the metal.
base.
Yes. The base of the bulb as well as
And
the
the
tip
metal
of the metal base. See, this is the base. Here.
The base, ma'am.
Yeah. And here you have one wire. I told you there are two strong wires. One wire becomes, ends at the metallic base, and another wire ends at this tip of the base. Okay. And both of them become the two terminals. In the
Ma'am,
cell
which is
we
the
had,
metallic case?
yes, this one. For
Ma'am,
any
means the
electric
outer
bulb, you have a
covering.
case, right? At the end. Yes, the case that holds the bulb.
Okay.
That one. In electric cell, what happens? This part is the positive terminal and this is the base. The disc is the negative terminal.
Yes.
Similarly, for this also, one strong wire goes to the metallic base or the case part, and the other one comes to the center part, which forms the two terminals. Okay.
Ma'am. Okay.
So
Ma'am,
this is
so
about
one
the
is
electric
positive
bulb.
and one is negative.
Yes, one positive and one negative. And
Ma'am, attendance.
yeah, attendance I'll take. And what is the similarity between the two, the electric cell and the electric bulb?
Ma'am, both
They are
have a similar
different. Both
design.
are different.
Both have many different
Both have
Similar design.
similar design. No, both have
Similar.
terminals. Yes,
Two. Two
two
terminals
terminals.
each.
Both have
Different
two
each.
terminals.
But
Okay.
battery we can charge, but electric cells we can't charge.
Yes, that is difference maybe. Okay. Now attendance Adi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ajol.
Present, ma'am.
Alaswan.
Present, ma'am.
Latif. Aldas. Amar
Present,
Jishad.
ma'am.
Amar Jishad. Anlin. Atul.
Present, ma'am.
Balashankar. Clara. Devanarayanan.
Ma'am,
Iha.
Clara present.
Fayaz Muhammad. Fidel.
Ma'am, Ihan also present.
Okay. Gautam. Gauri. Hanna.
Ma'am, Gauri
Erin,
is there.
Ishan. Calvin.
Ma'am,
Aradhya. Afridi. Yasin. Sinan. Yasin. Rida.
Present,
Paul,
ma'am.
Sandra. Tanzil.
Ma'am, Sandra is there.
Tina.
Present,
Aiga.
ma'am.
Zabi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. See you next
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.